how to make and create finance Facebook cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to canva.com, log into your account. Now all what you have to do is click on create a design here and search for Facebook and click on Facebook cover option. It will take you here. Now go right here on this side and scroll down until you find finance Facebook cover option. Click on see all and choose any template you want from here, for example this one or this one or any one from these. After you finish editing your finance cover, go to the top and click download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.